to the third example in our lesson of constructing quadratic equation from given roots. Now, so far you already know that whenever two roots are given and you want to construct the quadratic equation, then the way we do that is to use the formula x squared minus sum of roots of x, then plus product of roots equals to 0. So this is the formula that we shall be using in solving or constructing quadratic equation from given roots. We've done the first two examples, and please, if you are just joining us in now, I'll refer you to the past videos on constructing quadratic equation and even all the videos in the quadratic equation series. Please do go and watch them after this lesson so that you have a perfect understanding of what we are talking about. So now let's go right into solving this problem. Now we have the two roots are minus 1 upon 4 and minus 2 upon 3. So how do we do this? We simply plug these roots into the sum of products and the sum of roots and this product of roots. So here we go. Over here we have x squared minus, then we open our bracket. For the sum of roots we write our minus 1 upon 4, then plus into bracket minus 2 upon 3. We close our brackets and then we put our x, then plus. For the product of roots we have minus 1 upon 4, then plus, that is multiplication, so we put our times, minus 2 upon 3, then everything equals to 0. All right, now over here we have to clear the brackets, so we put our x squared minus, then here we have minus 1 upon 4, plus minus is minus, so we have 2 upon 3. So there you have it, to have cleared the bracket here. Then we come here to put our plus, then minus minus is plus, then 1 times 2 will give us 2, and 4 times 3 will give us 12, then everything equals to 0. But note here that 2 and 12 has a common factor, which is 2, which means we can divide these two numbers here. So but let's go on ahead, we'll do that later. So here we have x squared, then minus open bracket, put our x out here, then we draw a line, and then we get our LCM of 4 and 3. The LCM of 4 and 3 will give us 12. I believe we know how to get the LCM of numbers. So if we get the LCM of 4 and 12 and 3, it gives us 12. If we divide 12 by 4, that gives us 3. 3 times minus 1 will give us minus 3, then minus 12. 3 into 12 will give us 4. 4 times 2 will give us 8. Okay, so that is that for that part. Then over here we can clear the bracket. Plus plus is plus, then we have 2 will go here 1 and here 6, so we have 1 upon 6. But I would prefer we leave it that way. Please pardon me for that. I would prefer we leave it that way. Why are we leaving it that way? Because over here we know that the LCM is 12, and here we already have our 12. So later on, when we are taking the LCM to clear the fraction, we are going to take it as 12 instead of doing the calculations all over again. So it's better we leave it this way. Okay, now from here what do we have? We have x squared, then we have minus into bracket minus 3 minus 8 will give us minus 11 upon 12 x, then we have plus 2 upon 12 equals to 0. So once again, please do not divide this for now, because you can see that here we already have a 12 as the denominator and a 12 as the denominator here. So we're going to use the 212 there, take the LCM, which is 12, and then we use it to clear the 12. Now let's go on ahead to open the bracket. So we say x squared minus minus is plus, plus what? 11x upon 12, and then we have plus 2 upon 12 equals to 0. Now, what I've been saying before is that the LCM of 12 and 12 will give us 12. So this 12 now, we need to multiply each of the terms here so that we can arrive at 12 times x squared will give us 12x squared, then plus 12 multiplied into 11x upon 12, and then we have plus 12 multiplied into 2 upon 12, then everything equals to 0. Now if we had to do this, we have the final answer therefore as 12. We're going to have the final answer as 12x squared. This 12 will cancel this 12 to give us then here we have 11x. Now when 12 strikes that 12, it gives us 1. 1 times 11x will give us 11x. Then here we have plus 12 into 12 will give us 1. 1 times 2 will give us 2. And that is going to be the final answer for the question. So the quadratic equation whose roots are minus 1 upon 4 and minus 2 upon 3 will become 12x squared plus 11x plus 2 equals to 0. So there you have it. That is the answer to the question. So I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Thank you for making that time to watch this video, and please do watch my every other videos that has been released already. And if you want to know when I will be releasing my next video, just click the notification bell and you'll be notified when the next video comes up. Every week we always release video, so please just stay tuned and click the notification bell, and then you'll be notified. Please also subscribe if you have not done so, and like this video, share it with your friends, and also leave a comment in the comment box. I will see you in my next lesson.